The Russians didn't just retreat from Urozhanie, they also suffered terrible losses in the retreat. This is intense Ukrainian cluster munition attacks on Russian infantry south of Urozhanie. Many casualties and more regular artillery strikes are visible. Ukrainian forces managed to turn the main Russian route of withdrawal south of Urozhanie into a disastrous choke point, dropping well-sighted conventional and cluster munitions on Russian forces, moving towards new defensive lines in Zavitna Bazhanya and Staromlinivka. I think we might see an enormous number of Russian casualties just south of Urozhanie. Ukrainian war bloggers report a widening of the Ukrainian offensive in Zaporizhia Oblast, saying 5 Russian-held settlements south of Orikhiv are being attacked at the same time now. What is the situation across the Dnipro-Kherson region? According to multiple sources, Ukrainian forces continue to maintain 2 bridgeheads across the Dnipro. Heavy fighting takes place west of Kozachyi Laheri and south of Ponyativka. Heavy artillery fires come from the direction of Chelburda. Update on Kozachyi Laheri. Ukrainian forces have established a sustainable bridgehead to the west of the town of Kozachyi Laheri. Evidence of this is the level at which the Ukrainian army is sending reinforcements there from the 126th Territorial Defense Brigade. This appears to be a strategic change from the Marine and Special Operation Forces previously used in the Cross River assaults. Russian sources have also described seeing boat after boat being sent there to deliver reinforcements and remove any wounded for treatment and, unfortunately, any killed in action. On their part, the Russian forces continue attempts to dislodge Ukrainian forces, but are under constant and intense artillery fire from the right bank and mortar fire from units at the bridgehead. The Ukrainians has also been targeting nearby Russian assembly areas, logistics points and ammunition dumps in Radynsk, Oleshki, and Novokakhovka that are used in support of their units. Panic is growing among the occupiers, and the number of desertions is increasing. Thus, in the temporarily occupied settlement of Hornostaivka, Kherson region, military patrols and military personnel of the Commandant's Office of the Russian Occupation Forces are going door-to-door to search for deserters among their soldiers. It is noted that the command resorts to such actions due to the fact that among the newly arrived Russian military personnel in the settlement and its surroundings, the number of not only deserters, but also people who consume alcohol and drugs has significantly increased. The occupants are leaving their places of service and trying to hide in abandoned buildings. What a Russian logistics convoy looks like after being introduced to 180,000 tungsten fragments from a M30A1 GMLRS delivered by Ukrainian HIMARS. Keep this video in mind when you see a HIMARS explosion near a Russian target and you think the target has been missed. Hundreds of thousands of small fragments then do this, and Russian weapons most often remain unusable after the attack.
Я его не открою, блядь. Стекла полностью. То есть она была заведенная, значит. Слушай, ну облазили тут по открытию.
Это важнее глаз. А нет, она была заглушена.
Так, следующее. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 колес. Все побито полностью. Это 626, где Рома лежал. Весь кузов побитый. Все в осколках. Тут пацаны были. Нет, это 654. А вон где пацаны были. Тоже раздуло кабину. Тут вообще живого места нет. Все посечено в точку. Слабоуха выдулась. Все в крови. Тут все в крови залито полностью.
Omsk today. A dozen BM-27 Uragan multiple rocket launchers en route to Ukraine. Better to destroy today than tomorrow.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.